In this video, we listed the 5 best electric drill on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Makita DDF for 87 Cordless Drill. The Makita DDF for 87 is a high-performance cordless drill designed for home DIY projects, weighing 1 kg and powered by an 18V battery with a rated input power of 230W. This model features a brushless motor that enables a no-load speed of 3300 RPM, making it efficient for various drilling tasks. The product comes with CE certification and is manufactured in mainland China. It's important to note that the drill is sold as a bare metal unit, meaning it does not include batteries or chargers, which must be purchased separately either online or in physical stores. Number 2. DeWalt DCF 850 Impact Drill. The DeWalt DCF 850 is a high-performance cordless drill designed for commercial use, featuring a customizable design and a lightweight structure weighing 1.2 kg. It operates on a rated voltage of 20V with a powerful brushless motor, delivering an impressive rated torque of 205 Nm and achieving a no-load speed of up to 2800 RPM. This tool is powered by a battery, ensuring portability and ease of use. With a frequency of 60 Hz, the DCF 850 is manufactured in mainland China by the well-regarded brand DeWalt, making it a reliable choice for professionals seeking efficiency and durability in their drilling tasks. Number 3. AOCKE AX40S Electric Magnetic Drill. The AOCKE A x40S divided by 60S divided by 80S is an industrial-grade electric magnetic drill designed for commercial manufacturing applications. Originating from mainland China, this powerful drilling machine operates at a rated voltage of 220V and is available in different models to cater to various drilling needs. It features a portable design, making it suitable for on-site use, and is known for its efficiency and versatility in handling tough drilling tasks. It is essential for users to confirm the inclusion of the machine in their purchase and to reach out to customer service for any queries before the final transaction. Number 4. Makita DDF 083 Electric Drill. The Makita 18V LXTBL brushless cordless driver drill is a versatile and efficient power tool designed for renovation teams and heavy-duty applications. Featuring a brushless motor that maximizes battery energy use, this cordless drill delivers an impressive 40 Nm, 350 Nm, of max torque while optimizing runtime per charge. Its ergonomic design, complete with a soft grip handle and convenient keyless chuck, ensures comfort and ease of use. The drill is equipped with dual LED lights for better visibility, a mechanical 2-speed gearbox for adaptable performance, and a reversing switch for added convenience. Additionally, it includes a battery protection circuit to prevent overloading and overheating. The package includes the machine itself, a pair of gloves, but no battery or charger. Designed for use with Makita's 18V battery system, this tool is compliant with CE certification and originates from mainland China. Number 5. Bosch Brushless Drill. The Bosch GSR 120 Li is a versatile cordless screwdriver designed for home DIY projects, characterized by its robust specifications and user-friendly features. Weighing 1.9 kg and measuring 180 by 190 by 50 mm, it operates at a rated voltage of 220V and boasts a maximum torque of 30/14 Nm, making it suitable for various tasks including wood and metal drilling, up to 20 mm and 10 mm respectively. This model offers a no-load speed of 0400 RPM in the first gear and 0 to 1500 RPM in the second, with a 20+1 torque setting for precision drilling. Built with a PA6GF30 material shell and a soft rubberized handle for comfort, its metal gear set and copper wire motor ensure durability and power. The GSR 120 Li is equipped with features like an infinitely variable electronic switch, forward-backward adjustment, emergency stop function, and an automatic clutch to prevent damage during use. With its easy-to-use chuck system for drill bit replacement and multifunctionality for both screwing and drilling, it is ideal for home assembly, appliance installation, and other DIY tasks.